Today I will compare two TV in this video. So let's go. Now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start display. Display type OLED and LCD. Panel type WOLED and VA QD. Backlight mini LED. Skin size 42, 48, 55, 65, 77, 83 inch USA, Europe and 65, 75, 85 inch USA, Europe. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 165 Hz and 144 Hz. Brightness 3000 nits and 1500 nits. Display colors 1070 million. Pixel density 84 ppi and 68 ppi. Color bit 10 bit. Response time 0.1 millisecond. Contrast ratio 6000:1. Video processor Alpha 927 and XR processor. HDMI variable refresh rate yes. Consumer electronic control yes. Auto low latency mode yes. Anti-reflection coating yes. Ambient light sensor yes. High gig yes. HDR formats HDR10 hybrid long gamma Dolby Vision IQ and HDR10 hybrid long gamma Dolby Vision. Part 2 Connectivity. HDMI version HDMI 2.1. HDMI ports 4. USB port 2 into USB-A. Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax. Bluetooth 5.3. 3.5 mm audio jack yes. Part 3 Features. TV platform WebOS and Google TV. Version at launch 25 and 12. OS updates yes. AirPlay yes. HomeKit yes. Voice assistance Google Assistant Alexa. Search browser Amazon Prime Video, Apple TV app, Disney Plus, HBO Max, Hulu, Netflix, YouTube. Part 4 Audio. Speakers 60 watt 4.2 and 70 watt 2.2.2 acoustic multi audio plus. HDMI ARC and EARC yes. Dolby Atmos yes. Dolby Digital Plus yes. Dolby AC3 AC4 yes. Stereo speakers yes. Subwoofer yes. Part 5 Design. Dimensions 957 into 559 into 79.2 mm and 1228 into 738 into 251 mm. Weight 30 kg and 28.6 kg. Wall mount 400 into 200 mm and 300 into 300 mm. Special features XR backlight master drive, PS5 features, game menu and eco dashboard, IMAX enhanced. Tuners attached 3.0 USA, DVB T2 S2 C Europe. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.